welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review the Toyzee bowling set. So this is a Toyzee bowling set that we are going to review. So let's start off with the review of the product. So guys, first of all, it comes packaging very nicely in this cardboard box. Right here we can see the Toyzee branding right on top. We can see the Toyzee branding right here, and then it says bowling. Enjoy health every day, can withstand use, easy to play, fun, interactive toy. This is safe, unmold toy, attracts children's attention, 6 bottles and 2 balls, safe and non-toxic. So you get colorful bottles which actually attract the child's attention, and you have 2 wonderfully colored balls with it that come in this pack. That's what it says. This pack includes 6 plastic bottles and 2 plastic balls which are made of non-toxic plastic. So it's just so amazing right here. What we have on the side is again the same thing, the bowling written right here, bowling, enjoy health every day. Then they're shown the bowling pins and the ball, can withstand use, easy to play, fun and interactive. Same thing written again or right here as well. What we have on this side again here, they have shown the colorful bottles which we actually get. Again the Toyzee branding right here, bowling written there, and this is the illustration of the toy. That's how it looks, and it says enjoy health every day. Packaging must be retained since it contains important information. Okay, I don't see much written information on it, but that's what it says. So okay, so coming to the price of the product, the MRP of the Toyzee bowling set is rupees 385, and it's a product from Toyzee Enterprise, and it is for children or toddlers above the age of 1. So right from the time they start crawling, you can buy this toy and play with them, and it's a fun and interactive way to like play with a child with this bowling set. So let's quickly go ahead and unbox the product and see the bowling set that's there inside. So there's simple tape right here, we just put it off, and inside the box, this is what we get inside the box. So we, like mentioned on the box, we have 2 bowling balls here with grooves to put the fingers in right here. So you can see there's 2 bowling balls, green in color. And then we have 6 bottles right here, or bowling pins you can say, of various colors, of 3 colors here. We have 2 of each color. So we have fluorescent, pink and orange, and we have 2 of each. So here we have, in total we have 6. So this is an amazing, let's look at the quality of it. So it's made from very durable type of plastic here, not very soft which is squeezy and stuff. Very durable, made for children who are very small, who will definitely carry it, throw it around, and it's made from like not very hard material also which will hurt you or somebody, whoever child throws it on someone, but it's made from a very durable kind of plastic material. Also small children or toddlers tend to mouthing things, so this product is made from completely non-toxic plastic, so you don't need to worry if your child is mouthing the bottle or the ball, because they are made from non-toxic plastic, right? So that is the best part of it. And coming to the toy and the play of the toy, so bowling will actually help them with their gross motor skills of throwing an object. It will help them with counting. You can play counting with your kids. Basically you can place the number of bottles, you can ask them how many bottles are there and stuff, and then you can make learning fun with this toy. That's what this toy is for. Like, it is an amazing toy from the age of 1 till age of 5, 6, and even adults can enjoy this game. It is that good. Now your child can really learn a lot from this toy. So it's a very good investment to make for a child. For if you have a toddler in your house, you should definitely buy him a bowling set. And I bought it from Amazon, so I'll left a link in the description below from where you can purchase it too. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.